अटैचमेंट खत्म करनी है. Anyone else wants to finish attachment? तो think about it. मुझे attachment finish करनी है, नहीं करनी है, क्योंकि दोनों आंसर राइट है. इस हॉल में कोई भी आंसर रॉन्ग नहीं हो सकता है. फिनिश करनी है, नहीं करनी है. अटैचमेंट फिनिश कर देंगे लोगों से. अटैचमेंट फिनिश कर देंगे फैमिली से. टू मच अटैचमेंट हर्ट्स. लिटिल बिट अटैचमेंट, लिटिल हर्ट. ओके. So which means attachment is proportional to hurt. तो जितना जितना hurt होना है. So she says too much attachment, too much hurt. So I will not keep too much attachment because there is too much hurt. But I can't live without attachment. So I will keep little attachment, and that little attachment will only cause me little hurt. And those who say I'm going to finish attachment will finish hurt. But फिर उनके रिश्ते कैसे हो जाएंगे? रिश्ते कैसे हो जाएंगे? No attachment. We need to understand. Look at this. Two children are born attached physically. देखिए ना फोटो, है ना? तो what do they have to do? Sit together, stand together, get ready together, walk together, run together, सब कुछ together. Isn't life so beautiful for them? नहीं, why? सब कुछ इकट्ठे करने के लिए मिल रहा है. इकट्ठे बैठो, इकट्ठे उठो, इकट्ठे चलो, इकट्ठे भागो. Isn't it beautiful life? No. फिर उनका क्या करते हैं? उनको क्या करते हैं? Separate. So which one is more comfortable? Which one is more comfortable? Joined or separated? So now what they can do is, if one sits, the other can stand. Because they are detached. This is physical attachment. Now there's another attachment, emotional attachment. Emotional attachment means my mind is connected to their mind, attached. So if one is upset, the other person naturally upset. Even अगर नहीं होगे तो वो बोलोगे आप upset नहीं हो रहे मुझे देखकर, आप मैं upset हूँ. इसका मतलब आप मुझे प्यार ही नहीं करते, इसलिए आप अपसेट नहीं हो रहे. तो हम नहीं भी हो रहे थे तो होने लग जाते हैं. होता है नहीं होता? हाउ मीन, हाउ इनडिफरेंट. तुम्हें बुरा भी नहीं लग रहा कि मैं इतना दर्द में हूँ, which means you don't love me. Belief system out there in the world. So if one is upset, the other will get upset. If one is angry, the other one will get angry. If one is hurt, the other one will get hurt. If one is crying, the other one is going to cry. And we said, I love you so much. I love you so much that I can feel your pain. तो हम कट्ठे दर्द में जाते हैं सारे घर में. And so a family of 4 walking down the road, एक गड्ढा आया, pit, one fell down, and the other 3 said, we love you so much. We love you so much. That's one way of living, where my emotions are attached to the other person's emotions. If the other person fluctuates, I fluctuate. And what I do to them is, I add my pain to their existing pain. And then those people who are family and friends, instead of sitting and talking to us, they prefer to go out and talk to a counselor, because the counselor was not attached to them. And so the counselor was able to remain stable, radiate respect, and not be judgmental about them because the counselor was not attached to them. So that's one way of living. And the other way of living is, they are upset, we are powerful. They are angry, we are peaceful. They are rude, we are sweet. They are irritated, we are calm. Which one is a better way of living? Which one is a better way of living? Which one is a better way of living? Because what this second thing does is, when a family member, a friend, a child is in pain, this side, which is stable and strong, is able to pull them out of the pain. And which means if one member falls into the pit, the other one pulls them out because they did not fall into the pit. जितना जितना हम डिटैच होते जाएंगे, उतना उतना रिश्ते बहुत सुंदर बनते जाएंगे. नेचुरल है ना? अभी क्या हो रहा है? I'm dependent on you. So if you're good, I'm good. If you're not, I'm upset. Conflict. But when I'm detached, which means your state of mind doesn't influence my state of mind, I'm able to remain who I am. It's only in a detached state that you can experience unconditional love and respect for another person. So when we read spiritual books and we read the word unconditional love, feels so good. कितना अच्छा होता होगा ये unconditional love. Unconditional love means where my love is not dependent on any condition. It is unconditional. So detachment equals to unconditional love. Attachment equals to conditional love. Because when this person behaves a certain way and I get hurt, at that moment, I am not radiating love, I am radiating hurt. How many of you have children? How many of you worry for your children? Worry? So when you worry for them, what are you radiating to them? When you worry for someone, what are you radiating to them? You're radiating worry. Worry is not good energy for people. Care, different. Care, worry. Is there a difference between the two words? Care, worry? What's the energy of care? Positive. Energy of worry? We know it all. And फिर भी हम घर जाएंगे and वो बच्चा कहेगा, please mom, don't worry. And the mom will say, how can I not worry? I love you so much. So we thought love equals to worry. Love equals to care, because love is a high vibration feeling. Worry is a... So the more we are detached, which means my state of mind does not fluctuate with your behavior, then I am able to radiate unconditional love and respect. And that will only happen when I strengthen here. And I master the art of responding the right way, irrespective of what is the situation and the stimulus. तो detach होना चाहते हैं? Detach होना चाहते हैं? दुनिया में कुछ लोगों ने detachment को गलत तरीके से समझा कि detachment means indifferent, रूखा रूखा, दूर दूर, अलग अलग. That is not detachment. Detachment means being more for them. Detachment means having no expectations from them, just being yourself always, irrespective of what they do for you. Detachment means not getting disturbed by their behavior. And that's why detachment means unconditional love and respect. And detachment means you've become a very, very powerful soul. Powerful soul. So detachment is exactly that same surgery which is done. That same surgery. And so when we are detached, and if your family member is going through an issue, they will not go out and talk to other people. They will come and talk to you, because irrespective of what they have done and what pain they are going through, you're going to be standing there like a strong, powerful soul, radiating love. Abhi kya hota hai? Bachcha is in pain, and the parent wants to go and be with the child says, just leave me alone, you leave, you go from here. And the parent will say, but I want to be with you, I want to sit with you. Say, no, please go out of this room. You know why? Because when we are going and sitting with the child, we are carrying an energy of pain, anxiety and worry for the child. The child cannot handle any more negative energy, because they are already so much in pain. So they go out and they talk to friends or to an absolute stranger, because that stranger is not carrying any disturbed energy. And all that they need that time is not advice, they just need very strong vibrations. The detachment is the best gift you can give to family. That's the best gift you can give to the family, because you're giving them a guarantee, irrespective of whatever happens, I'm always going to be strong and stable. So anybody else wants to get detached? Wants to get detached? It's not outside. Detachment is here.